Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the merchant bee in Grey Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the rare bees in Grow a Garden. You can get it from the rare bee egg. And before I show you how you can get the merchant bee, I'm going to show you guys how the merchant bee looks like. This one. Okay, and as you can see, this is the ability. Pollinated plants converted to honey coins give a 1.1x bonus. So it can give you extra bonus, guys, for the honey coins. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to go to the compressor and I'm going to collect the honey coins and I will get extra bonus. As you can see, I got plus 531 honey coins as the bonus from the merchant bee. And if you want to get the merchant bee, you need to have the rare bee egg, and then you will have 13.51% chance to hatch this merchant bee from the rare bee egg. Okay guys, and that's all about the merchant bee and Grow a Garden BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.